Okay, let's take a look at another piece of geometry and bring that in the OpenRoads. Okay, so let's look at this outer edge here. It's what is this? It's a lane line. So let's bring in this lane line and let's see what it is. So what I did already was just what I did on the geometry. I just selected that all the pieces of it, and then just did a copy DL equals 0, enter, and then just copied it into my working drawing here. So let me let's select this and turn off the reference file. Okay, so basically have this alignment here. Now, right away, I could kind of I see right here. There's I can see the little double. I don't know if you can see that. Just a little like double dark line there. Like there's something going on here with the line work. Yeah, you could see there's something not tangent or something. What this is? That's a line. So that's a line, and that is a arc. So there's some kind of a little weird overlap here. So, uh, you know, because of that, and this is the dangers you do when you're drawing in a MicroStation, you may not trim correctly depending on what you're drawing in or what pieces. So let's bring this in, but let's bring it in a little bit in a cleaner way with OpenRoads. So what I wanna do is I want to bring in. It looks like this is a line, a line. I like the properties. Kind of analyzing this as I do this here. So let me give me a little freedom here. It's this bearing is 7920, 792053. There's another line, 7931. So there's a couple 10 minutes or so different. So I don't know. Maybe that's just an angle point there. And then there's an arc, and then another line, and an arc, and a line with an angle point. So let's not bring the arcs in. Let's just bring the tangents in, and then we'll recreate the arcs, rule them to the OpenRoads geometry, and then complex it together so it'll be clean, and you'll be able to modify the radiuses, and it will automatically adjust the PCs and PTs and everything, and make sure everything is tangent. So we're gonna go where we were before, create symbol rule feature, and let's just call these, there were lane lines, so let's see if we have a lane line here, lane line, and we'll bring in this tangent and this one and that one, that one, and that one. So we're just going to bring in just those, reset to complete. Okay, good. So those are in, and now this, I'm gonna just make a note here. This is radius 676. Just write that down. Okay, 676 for that little one, and then this longer one is 488. 488. Okay, so good. So let's delete this. Don't care about that, and we don't care about that arc. So we've got this OpenRoads geometry here. Okay, So we're going to put in a curve in here, and that was the 676. So we're going to do this same one that we're doing, simple arc, and it's going to be a lane line. And the radius, I just do it here, 676. Enter that. And identify the first element here and the second one here. And put that in there. And trim both. And then the other one is 488. Oops. 488. And identify the first element, it's here, and the second one is here, it's there, 488, and trim both. Okay, so that's that. So now we've got those in correctly, and now we're going to go to complex by element again, and I'm just going to go, and whether you're going this way or this way, it's kind of up to you. It depends on, well, however you feel like the geometry goes, you know. You may go one way versus the other. I'm going to go ahead and just go this way, just for sake of something. And let's go. This is lane line. When you're complexing it, that's when it really matters. You want to make sure the lane line is right, and then whatever the description is going to be, you know, whatever northeast corner or edge or lane or whatever, you know, however you want to identify it, this will be the time to give it a name. You could always, you know, name it later, but this, give it the style and name if you can now. And identify the first element. I'm going to go this way. Oh yeah, this is the one that has two pieces. So let's go this way and accept that and escape to get out of that. So now we have that geometry here. So now, again, the advantage of this is we can go in here and we could change this thing, and it will adjust, you know, everything else. So that is now that piece of geometry. Okay, and let me poke around and see if I could find something else.